Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. Welcome to Asma K9, a knowledge sharing platform where you will find quality content. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's start. In this video, I will show you how to create Authorize REST Web API. So in step 1, you need to create a project in REST Web API ASP.NET MVC using Visual Studio. I'm using Visual Studio 2019, but you can use Visual Studio 2013 or any version above that. So in the search box, type ASP.NET Web and then select ASP.NET Web Application.NET Framework and then click Next. In the next screen, make sure that you have select no authentication under the authentication section and then click create. In step 2, you need to install a library from NuGet package manager. So click tool menu and then click NuGet package manager and then click manage NuGet packages for solution. In step 3, I will install a library from NuGet package manager. So type Asma K9 in the search box and then click Asma K9.authorize REST Web API AK and then select the project in which you want to install this library and then select the latest version of this library and then click install. In step 4, I will show you how you can utilize this library and then authorize your REST Web API. So in your global.asax.cs file, under the application_start method, you need to write a following line of code. Using the library that we have installed, you need to initialize an object handler with the API key header name, then API key value, then your API key username value, and then your API key password value. Then pass that object handler to the global configuration.message_handler.add method of ASP.NET MVC platform. Then in API controller.cs file, make sure that you have added authorize attribute at the top of your API controller class. Then in step 5, execute the project. When you execute the project, you will see the default screen. So when you try to access your REST Web API method, either GET method or POST method, you will see method of authorization that your authorization has been denied. The source code for this video is available. That's about it. Thank you for watching. Take care. Allah Hafiz.